My name is Tilly, and there's two videos I made. One was the Furby during my iPad, and then it went to my face, and the other one was when he was during the yellow and green thing.
When it went in your face, what did you say in French?
Neck! And it's me and my Furby again, so I wonder what I can do. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the kitchen, but this way because that way is blocked. Oh yes. So this Furby Connect thing says, make sure you ask your parents for permission first. Open the Furby Connect World app. In the app, tap the menu icon, then the scanning icon. Scan the image on the label of your Furby toy once you unlock your Panda Furby egg. This Panda Furby is just full of cute little secrets. Let's show. Come on, Panda Furby, show.
Go!
No! You need to watch this because on the first video of me and my Furby, it was actually the green and yellow thing. Show him. And on the first time I did it, I said, what was that all about?
Bye-bye. Yakult sponsors breakfast on Channel 4.
The man who walked the Nile and the Himalayas now takes 5 million steps along the length of Central America. This is brutal. Covering 2,000 miles of uncharted and inhospitable lands. Explorer Levison Ward is walking the Americas, and the series starts Sunday 8 on Channel 4.
We are thoughtful. We are thoughtless. We are brave and stupid. Irresponsible and responsible. We are all what we have done.
I think that's enough now. You've been on for 3 minutes.
Okay, so let me just get the Furby off. Bye!